Watching a Latin 61. This car has the S suspension with damper control. It has an electromechanical power steering. It has the Audi Drive Select feature. MMI Navigation Plus with MMI Touch comes as standard, letting you choose from a 8.3 inch display on the dashboard. Also as standard, high beam assist. The SQ5 produces now 354 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque, that's 370 pound-feet of torque. It has the Quattro all-wheel drive system, 0 to 62 in 5.4 seconds. The top speed is limited to 250 km per hour. The engine is a 3-liter V6 petrol engine TFSI with turbo. It has a 8-speed automatic transmission. The fuel economy combined is 8.3 liters per 100 kilometers. In the city 10.8 liters, on the highway 6.8 liters. The Audi SQ5 has a special grille with extra chrome finished in matte silver, and on the lower part of the front bumper you have extra chrome. The Quattro system is rear based. It defaults to a 40-60 front rear split and can route as much as 85% of the torque to the rear wheels. There's also an optional sport differential, a torque vectoring differential for the rear axle that can send almost all of the torque to one wheel. It includes also air springs that bring roughly 4 inches of height adjustability for the SQ5. There's also a variable ratio dynamic steering system available. The Audi SQ5 has a more conventional setup that continuously turns the rear drive shaft as it varies torque between the front and rear axles. At the back you have the LED rear taillights with dynamic turn signals. In the rear, also in the front, you have quad exhausts. The rear bumper is also special for the SQ5. Automatic trunk. Quite a good space. You can also fold the rear seats down. It has the subwoofer and the spare tire. The combination of air springs and the adaptive dampers create a wide range of dynamic character among the 4 standard driving modes: auto, comfort, dynamic and individual. The air suspension brings an all-road and a lift off-road mode as well, like this car. The trunk space is 550 liters. When you fold the rear seats down, it's 1550 liters. The fuel capacity is 70 liters. It comes standard with 255, 45, 20-inch rims, but this one has the 21-inch rims. It has ventilated brake discs. The car weighs 1845 kilograms. It has the leg extensions, and this is the interior. It has the 8.3 inch navigation MMI Plus system. It has the 12.3 inch Audi virtual cockpit, beautiful carbon trim, blind spot assist. We will look at every detail. It has the panoramic sunroof, as I said. It has also the leg extensions and the sport pedals. 3-zone climate control, adjustable, power outlet. This is the space left. I'm 1 meter and 83. This is quite good. It has the cup holders down here, leather armrest. It has also ambient lighting in the back. Visibility is great. It has the touch sensitive LED lights. This car has the LED headlights with LED rear lights and dynamic rear indicators and in the front. And this is the driver's seat of the Audi SQ5. Beautiful head-up display. Lovely feature. Audi virtual cockpit. 12.3 inch. This gauge is special to the SQ5. Quattro badge on the dash, fully adjustable armrest. For the first time, wireless charging is available. Here you have two USB inputs and an aux. This is how the key looks like with the S logo, brand new key, lock unlock trunk release. When you slide this back, you have the cup holders, clever done by Audi. You can put your key here. Volume adjustments for the MMI Plus. Here you have the electronic handbrake, auto hold. You have the automatic gearbox, 8-speed with the sport mode. You can also shift for yourself. This is the park button. Here you have the MMI Plus control with the rotary button, which is also lit up. You can also write the address down. Extra buttons, side menus. The dynamic mode also brings some hints of overrun on the exhaust, enhancing the V6 already throaty engine note. You have also the lift and off-road mode and the all-road mode on the SQ5, automatic, dynamic. Here you can turn off the start-stop, ESP, automatic park system. Parking sensors. There's a 360 degrees camera system. The car can also park itself. This top view, overhead view is amazing. Rear view camera, wide angle. You can also adjust the sound. This is a good feature in my eyes. Here you have the hill descent, you can turn off the screen. And now you have the climate control 3-zone with heated seats for driver and the passenger. 3-zone, touch sensitive buttons just like the Audi SQ7. It goes down to 16 degrees and up to 28. These are the languages available. Turkish, I selected English. MMI settings, brightness adjustment, everything is possible. System updates. This is the main menu of the car. Car settings, the drive select. Sound settings for the Bang & Olufsen sound, subwoofer settings, sound effects, front rear, 3D sound, surround level, radio settings, media. Here you have the vehicle settings, steering wheel adjustments, seats, automatic belt tensioner, automatic lights, main beam assist. It has the background lighting, ambient lighting with 5 different settings, trailer, air suspension. Here you have the driver assist systems, speed warning, parking aid, head-up display, adaptive cruise control, distance warning, Audi Presense, it can brake for you in the city, side assist, rest recommendation, rain sensor. This is a very safe car. Air conditioning adjustments, service, phone settings, the navigation, it uses Google Earth. Looks very cool. Audi is the best with navigation systems. Traffic messages, Audi Connect, smartphone interface, settings. Here you have the automatic distance control, the adaptive cruise control, plenty of adjustments in the steering wheel, dimming rearview mirror, LED lights, sunroof adjustments,